You know, Monday night I was walking at the stores, looking around, and I saw this beauty piece of chuck roast, and I thought, like, this looks like a mini brisket. So let's treat it like a brisket. After 6 hours of smoking, spraying, taking care of this, I did 2 hours at 200 degrees, some cold smoke in there, another 2 hours at 250, and I closed for an extra 2 hours at 275. You can see when it reached 195, I decided for the first time I tried this boat method with aluminum foil. So this thing allows you to keep getting some smoke. Look at that beauty. See that? Perfect morning. So this method allows you to keep getting some smoke and some bark on the top of the thing, but like at the same time you start like tenderizing and getting some juice in there, because we're gonna put this beauty back in the smoker. And as you can see, I have my little tray with my smoked wagyu beef tallow on the side. Just take a look at that, and we're gonna put that thing on top. So that's what is gonna make that deliciousness. So you see that? That's beautiful. It's been smoking there for a couple of hours too, so adding some smoke into that tallow and throw the last drop in there. Got it. So after that, an extra hour and a half just to finish, and we finally have this mini brisket ready to go. And I'm not gonna talk too much on this part, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy as much as I did, and just look at this beauty. Well, after taking the extra beef tallow, and you can see in that tray next to me, it's time to get your hands dirty. Just look at this. But I'm telling you, these burnt ends were just amazing. It's like, oh my god. I'm gonna make a sandwich for myself, but like, of course, first I have to try it. And just look at that. That was amazing. Let me show you this piece. Oh yeah, that's for my sandwich. Definitely for my sandwich. So, to get it ready, we're gonna throw just a little bit extra, because this is all the deliciousness, all the beef tallow. And we throw a little bit extra, and we finally have the final product. And just look at this. And I didn't have to use a whole brisket and, like, save a lot of food or waste a lot of food just for me. And that was amazing. Just look at that. Juicy.